Hey, what's going on? It's Ike Pause here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a micro commitment squeeze page or lead capture page quickly and easily using Thrive leads. Okay? So, what am I talking about? So, a micro commitment squeeze page is when someone gets on your site and instead of showing them just an opt-in form, you ask them, hey, you want this or you don't want this? And they click, yes, I want this. Of course, you need something. You need a lead magnet that's very enticing. And they click, I want this. Then, and only then, do you show them your opt-in form. So this is what I like to call a micro commitment squeeze page. Let me show you how to make one. So if you got Thrive leads, very simple. I already have one here, you see. Learn how to generate over 1,000 free visitors a day in any niche, leading to over 5K a month in passive commissions. Send me the case study, or no, I'm okay, I'm fine. Okay, so how to create one. Go to Thrive, and you want to go to Template Setup and choose Opt-in Template. Okay. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you the one I like. Okay. I like this one, the personal brand, because I think you should people should get to know you. So whatever brand whatever niche you're in, it's going to be a personal brand. So it's going to be your face in your YouTube videos. It's going to be your face on images and whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to change this pick, of course, and use my pick. Okay, there we go, just like that. And I'm put here, get my case study. Just like that. You know, it's very simple to use Thrive leads. And I'm going to put in what my case study is about. Learn how I generate over 1,000 unique views a day. In any niche. Okay, and okay, so we're done with this part, right? Actually, I want to make that a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna change the font to something more impactful. The Arvo will do. Yeah, that sounds cool. That looks cool. Okay. And then, once you're done with that, so you're going to click this plus button, and you're going to see state, default state. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. You want to click state 1. So after default state, and if they, let me go back here. If they choose no, I'm fine, then they just go back to the page they were on. But if they click send me the case study, actually, maybe I should write continue to case. I like continue. Continue to case study. Then, after they click continue the case study, they go to your opt-in form. Okay, and do the same thing here. Change, move my thing right here, change image. Let me change image. Okay, here we go, change image. And I'm going to use my image again. like that. And I'm not going to get names, so I'm going to connect form to service. It's very simple to use this. You click on your autoresponder. Marketing live, that's the list I'm sending this traffic to. I'm going to delete name, I don't want name. And as for redirect URL, I'm going to redirect them to this page where I show a case study. You know, you want to deliver what you promised. Just like that. Claim your case study. Delete that. Sign up for instant access. And you're done. Now it's going to appear. Let me come back here for a second. Now it's going to appear on your site every time someone tries to exit. If you're using Thrive Leads, right? When someone tries to exit your site, it's going to appear and give them the option, okay? And that's a micro commitment squeeze page or lead capture page because, like I said, the little yes gets you to a bigger yes, right? They have the choice to not get it or to get it. They get it. They click on I want the case study. Then they're presented with the opt-in form, increasing the chances of you getting that lead. Okay, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tutorials and guides. This is like Paz saying, talk to you later and ciao.